Alright, y'all, listen, before this video even began, bro, listen, bro, if you want me to react to your song, make sure you are subscribed with post notifications on. So whenever you hit post notifications, make sure it says all. You see all, right? Make sure you hit all because this is very important. The reason why I say it is very important is because whenever I upload a video, it's going to send you a notification ASAP, my guy. And let me tell you how YouTube really works. This is how it works, right? Listen, if majority of my subscribers can watch my video as soon as it drops, YouTube is going to push my video to other people who are not even subscribed to my channel. And if a lot of people can watch my video, right, that's 99.9%. Someone who's watching my video right now is gonna like your music, and you can start your whole music career just like this. Come on, I give your whole fan base, my guy. Also, one more thing, make sure you leave a comment on this video because I love reading my comments. You can comment anything because, like, bro, I love comments, and that's another way y'all can push this video to other people. And also leave a comment. That's like, whenever you leave a comment, it's like giving this video a 5-star. You already know when something get a 5-star, it get pushed up there with the big dogs. But anyways, the only way you can send me your song is through Instagram, so make sure you send me the link of your Bandlab song to my Instagram, and make sure you are following me because right now, my boy, I'm giving you free promo. You don't got to pay for none of this, so that's the best you can do. Follow my Instagram, my boy. But speaking of free promo, since I'm promoting y'all music for free, bro, can y'all at least share this YouTube video on your Instagram story, like, and tag me, and I got to see it. Hold on, where else can you share this at? Oh yeah, share it on your Snapchat, on your TikTok, on your Facebook, on your the hub, bro. If you trying to get free.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I said, I'm back with another Bandlab reaction. Can you see, bro? New location.
I'm booking a flight. I'm going on a vacation.
Wait,
What?
I cannot be patient.
I got kids in my basement.
What you mean you got kids in the basement, my nigga?
Because listen, if I was gonna say I got things in my basement, it's not gonna make any sense. So that's why I had to say I got kids in my basement. You feel me? I'm trying to. You get what I'm talking about, right?
Hey, I ain't gonna make sense. But anywho, y'all niggas took a long time to get my other video to 1,000 views. I think now it's like week 2 or something like that. I don't know how long it's been from the other video from now, but y'all niggas took a long time to hit 1,000 views. And just like I said, bro, every 1,000 views is a brand new video. I think I'm playing. So if this video right here take a month to hit 1,000 views, I'ma upload that month. You feel me? Cause I'm you feel me? So if y'all get this video to 1,000 views right now, brand new video tomorrow, y'all think I'm playing, bro. Also, it's an echo in here because, like I said, we're in a brand new location. You feel me? Anyways, I got 13 people I'm gonna be reacting in today's video, and hopefully these some bangers. You feel me? Because if you send me some garbage, bro, I'm gonna eliminate you. We're not here to react. I'm not here reacting to no corny music. We're here to turn up, you feel me? But anyways, like I said, I got 13 people, and these people, I did not choose them randomly. These specific people straight out of my, premiere video from my last video. Cause like I said, bro, if you want to be in my video like 100%, all you have to do is watch my premiere video and support my videos, you feel me? Cause I'm not gonna support somebody who's not even supporting me. Like, that don't make any sense. I don't care if you make great music, but in my last premiere video, I went out ahead, I was like, bro, go ahead and share this video on your Instagram story and tag me in it. And everybody who tagged me in their Instagram story that day, bro, they in the video right now. All these 13 people, like, bro, all you have to do is support my videos, and I got you, my nigga. Listen though, one more thing, listen though. I see a bunch of y'all niggas be making y'all songs on Bandlab, but on SoundCloud, bro. I got you. I got something for you. Your time has came, you feel me? But listen though. In my next video, I think right now we're on part 7, but in part 8, this I'm gonna do it, right? I'm gonna choose 5 SoundCloud rappers and 5 Bandlab rappers. I'm gonna compare who make banging music. So watch this blue video because I'm gonna explain it at the end how you can be my next video if you make music on SoundCloud and Bandlab, you feel me? So hey, watch this full video. But anyways, let's get into this banger right here. Hopefully these 13 people got some banging music, you feel me? But anyways, bro, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and let's get it, bro. Stop playing with my boy. Please don't do this, bro.
Oh my god, it's the sun.
Hey, hopefully this is a banger because I'm gonna let you know, my guy.
I know you're not trying to keep this on the low, but I know the love you have for me just for show. And I know what you got going on in your phone. Put that on hold, put that on hold. Top down, we was having fun.
Hey, bro, to be honest with you, bro, like, it's not that bad, bro. Like I said, bro, if it's not a hard song, it's garbage. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is garbage, bro. You can work on it. This is garbage. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I'm not gonna give you no benefit of the doubt. Like, I'm not playing today, you feel me, bro? So you gotta send me some good music, bro. Like, come on, nobody's gonna listen to that. But anyway, this is the second person. Hopefully it's a banger. Let's get it, bro.
Yeah, I go like, wow, that bitch is a lordy now. Shout out to Bangy, shout out to West and going out. I swear to God, give me one, yeah. I swear to God, they gon' fast. I swear to God, there's no man I could. It's not her, but I'm sure they not fucking with the little vibe. Sure they ain't fucking with your little vibe. Yeah, the door is right there, cause you don't gotta stay. She be like, yeah, is there a problem? I'm looking at it trying to solve ya. Hold on, yeah, all of my niggas, they bang. Taliban, we stay with them gang. I swear to God, bitch, we going up, they going on the game. I tell you I love you, I tell you my brother, you better not switch up. I swear to God, put on my love on my guys, it's the day I die. And I love you, great granny, tryna make you smile, just tryna make you proud. I swear to God, when I'm doing better, gonna buy my mama a house.
Hey, bro, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is a good song for a Bandlab song. Like, bro, like he put time into his music, bro. First person, I don't think you put too much. Like, compare this song, this first song, and the first song together. Tell me which one is better, bro. Like, be honest, bro. This is so bad. It's not playing with me, bro. Second person, bro. You a go, my boy. You a go. Keep doing what you're doing, my boy. Give me the song.
Yeah, it's a good day. For me, it's a good day. It's a good day. Yeah, it's a good day for me. It's a good day. It's a good day for me. 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 Black girl, please no straight for me. Love the way you look, it's amazing. Love the way you sound, it amazes me. How I got you is my question. I close my heart, now it's open. I give it to you as my token. Appreciate you, I'm not broken. How's it keep? Here you go, you can't keep it. I really do not need it. Just hold it, just hold it. Open up your heart to me. You know I love you. Please do not hide away from me. That makes me so sad when you can't open up to me. I wanna know everything about you. I wanna know everything about you, girl. Without you, girl, I would be real sad. I would be real sad.
Y'all already know that's a bang, bro. Like the way you're flowing on the beat, bro, and the hook too. Come on, I can't. This is a bang. Let's stop playing with homeboy. Bro, the beat, bro. I hate this beat, bro. Hopefully you kill this, though, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I never thought I made now I make some shit like
You
this.
got passed around like a blunt.
Yeah, we gon' drop him. Yeah, 2 times Chris mop him with that chopper. Next day he tryna pull up, last day he see his mama. Hold on, wait. I thought a nigga said something who got shot up in the face. Walk him down, shoot him up until he land up on his face. Your partner died and all you did was start dissing. If that was my partner, 10 of yours, they going missing. Matter of fact, we getting every single one, cause that's my brother, nigga. We pull that trigger, nigga. Making sure he hit his fitting, nigga. Bow, bow. Yeah, you know. Straight freestyle shit. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I spot him, man. I got him. Shot his head through the door. I think my neck, they got corona. How much it been freezing cold? And I ain't talking about no COVID when I say I got a cold. I'm just coughing and I'm sneezing cause how much my wrist is froze. I'm from the trenches, keep my pole, don't fuck with these bitch. My heart is broken into too many pieces. I'm from NYC, but I'm fucking on trees. I go to the studio and catch me sleeping, bro. Yeah, I was down my ass. Run my pain cause that was my past. First leak, but it wasn't my last. Selling dope, scream, fucking grass. Yeah, I'm in the whip cruising, but my music right through the hood, they looking so clueless. Like when they bust out a rap, who going to church, now you up on the map. You used to like it, now ain't wrong with strap. Got 20 ends, they just sit in the back. They look at my chains, yeah, they wanted my fame. You ain't get it cause this how I came. Yeah, this how I came. Yeah, man, it's that beatbox remix.
Oh, you got more?
This how you pick up your dead partner, teach.
Hey, this is a banger, my boy. Hey, keep doing what you doing. This is a banger. Hey, stop playing with homeboy, bro. Y'all go check him out. If y'all think he's hard, y'all stop playing with him, bro. I'm tired, as you can hear, but.
Fucking this man all night, man. Okay. On my life. With my white nigga, that nigga said red. Done with the rest, I did my man. Talking down on my nigga, get you straight.
Hopefully the beat don't kill you.
I throw the bullshit, catch go to bank. Walk up the demons, I'm in my bag. I bought some new and going sack. Broke ass nigga, you going outside. My pockets like Santa cause they fucking fat. Chop it like Fago, it take you off the mat. I wanna get out cold, slap down and out with no
you, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie. The beat carried you, but this is a bang. Hey, stop playing with bro. You was flowing on this hoe. You was sounding like a TikTok rapper, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know that flow everybody be having nowadays. But anyways, that was a banger. Stop playing with bro. Next rapper, 78. That's the name of the song. Why y'all loud, bro? YSF low. Damn. And it's loud. I'm out of when I edit the sound now, eh? I heard you was just on something. Hold on, you too loud. Hold on, bro. Your song a little bit too loud. Let me turn it down, bro. God damn. Tripping.
Been trying to speak up, but they do not understand me. I can't let my chopper go, no, I can't let my hands free. Fuck you, L, can't say nothing, let your man speak. Now we up in Cali in the beaches riding banshees. You told my heart that shit was faster than a track Jeep. We separated, now you in a taxi riding backseats. Them choppers hit them up, we knocked them off, we let them cats see. How you gon' leave, you put your foot down, miss them old days. I've been grinding every situation, taking no breaks. I left the hood for you, I can't go back to all them old ways. But I guess it's fuck you, you said everything was okay. Nigga, I've been ballin', swear to God, you'll call me Hardaway. Let's just make it easy before I take it to the hard way. How the fuck you love me and then go and throw my heart away? Hit my whole soul, that you would go and throw my heart away. I heard he was dissing on them songs, we left this man's weak. I've been trying to speak out, but they do not understand me. I can't let my chopper go, no, I can't let my hands free. Fuck you, L, can't say nothing, let your man speak. Now we up in Cali in the beaches riding banshees. You told my heart that shit was faster than a track Jeep. We separated, now you in a taxi riding backseats. Them choppers hit them up, we knocked them off, we let them cats see. I heard he was dissing on them songs, we left this man's leak. I've been trying to speak out, but they do not understand me. I can't let my chopper go, no, I can't let my hands free. Fuck you, L, can't say nothing, let your man speak. Now we up in Cali in the beaches riding banshees. You told my heart that shit was faster than a track Jeep. We separated, now you in a taxi riding backseats. Them choppers hit them up, we knocked them off, we let them cats see. I got a strong bond with this whole new person, and I feel like she the one. I know that she been hurt before, but I promise this ain't full of lust, baby. But I ain't saying no names, and I know this shit could last, but only girl if you could just save me. We both been hurt before, I know we share the same thing. We could flex on niggas, rock a Mary on the plain Jane. But it's up to you, I know you probably hard to maintain.
Ain't no way, bro. Hold on, bro. Ain't no way. But ain't no way he made this on Bandlab, bro, or this is on Bandlab. Ain't ain't something about you just don't know about, because this is a banger, bro. It's so clean. And the flow, he had that type of, what is it? I'm not gonna say he sound like Polo G, but he had that flow like, it was similar, like, you know what I'm talking about, like, it was similar like a Polo G type of flow, but this is the hardest one on this, I'm not gonna lie to you, this probably gonna be the hardest song on this list today. Ain't gonna, dang, that was a banger, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'll lie on you, my boy.
I'm good.
I got it first. Let me turn down this. Don't tell me it's a little kid playing around on it.
Everyone who's caught by my fake friends so innocent. Everybody know we got to play with like the person. Everybody know I'm running on the people like it doesn't even know it's pressure. I fall all over the picture. Beat this on how to side, got my beat. I got this on how to side, talk my beat. Everybody wants to say shit. You know how to side.
Get out of here, nigga. That was garbage, bro. Come on, bro. You was playing around, bro. That was a hard beat, but my God, you playing around. Come on now. Somebody else could have had that spot and you just messed it up. Come on, bro. Bro, what's up with y'all loud songs? Hold on, bro. Hey. Hold on, bro. Let me turn it down a little bit. Bro. This is way too loud, bro. God damn.
Big bangers.
Have to run it back.
Hey.
Alright.
Hey.
JB Flyboy.
I'm in the car, I'm hitting the gas. Look at these bitches, they know they ass. Gang, we stick together.
shooting at fucking ops. Got your dumb ass lacking like a motherfucking duck. We spinning black and holding 100 rounds for your goofy ass nigga. I remember I was little boy, now look at me, I got stronger and bigger. I move too quick, nigga, you can't call me flat, but I ain't flash. One call, we shooting the ops. Them old days, I was trapped in a box. I just got it at the ground. Niggas hating with a frown. And that bullet at your chromosome, nigga, you gon' be dead. We only do that to dumbasses who just say shit out they head. One dub, we chasing another one. Nice coupe, I find a better one. Look at these niggas, they talking too much, they don't even stay in their own lane. Like, get out my way, nigga, I'm trying to chase this bag and no fame. I wake up every morning thinking that every day is the same. But when I shine, nigga, they just gonna start blaming me. Can't cap right now, all these bitches, they just tryna fuck with me. I keep a distance from me and you. The sky is never black, that shit is always blue. People hate me cause I'm young and I'm rapping out the booth. People snaking too much, they just tryna wear my fucking shoes. If the shoe don't fit, don't wear it. Y'all niggas ain't me generic. Can't lie, we get barbaric. Big drip on me, I heard. They talking shit, I heard. Can't stick around, y'all fold. These niggas told, I know. Y'all broke the what, the code. I stay with what, my bros. The rapping shit ain't for me, but I'ma give it a try. Everywhere I look, all these niggas be looking at me. All these bitches, they just nosy as fuck. I said, hold up, leave. Hit the fucking dough if you gon' talk all that cheaty chatty shit. I don't trust no bitches, they just wanna ticky tacky fuck. I just tryna get the.
Hey, bro, that song is 2 minutes, like I said, bro. We do not react to movies over here. But anyway, bro, that was a bang. Hey, that flow was crazy. The beat went stupid, flowing on this beat. Hey, that was a bang. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. That thing, it was hard, bro. Go ahead and check them out. Check out everybody who think that was hard because I'm just giving you my best opinion to the songs. That was a banger. Stop playing with them, bro. Oh, let me turn it down. Let me turn it down, bro. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn it down one more time because this jump going too crazy.
These are the years.
Don't disappoint, my boy.
Changes into the man he's going to become the rest of his life. Just be careful who you change into.
What is a yeet type beat?
Remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Yeah, don't let them fool you here sidekick. Niggas don't know my name until I blow, but never mind that. Bitch was on my line, late, but never mind that. Talking crazy, hollows hit your back, come and get your spine back. Yeah. No, I don't got time for you, no. I ain't making no time for your game. And no, I can't forward them boys, they land. They got here with that, he left his body and friend. Too many drugs, nobody ain't feeling the same. I got a bitch, see no evil like Kane. She ain't sucking this in the ass back when she can. He yelling my dick, tell him stay. That's why I ain't telling my dad, so far what they say. And you not making money, can't hang with the clan. And yeah, I'm on tell them boys, they got a chance. I put Rick on my feet, hold these ain't no fans. Shopping, he niggas and give him a 10. I walked in the morning, that's me, my 10. And she wanna fuck till I bring her a friend. I'm sipping on one killer bitches, they lick. I hit the hole when she get packed like a bitch. She said she let me like bitches, you crazy. She said she let me like bitches, you said. She said it's me, then we spin like a fan. She yelling my dick, she like Ray, I'm a fan. And boy, you a bitch, you can't come to this land. Yeah, don't let them fool you here sidekick. Niggas don't know my name until I blow, but never mind that. Bitch was on my line like Ray, I lay, but never mind that. Talking crazy, hollows hit your back, come and get your spine back.
Yo, that was a banger. Hey, I stopped playing, bro. Hey, that was a banger because ain't no way, my boy. Y'all making these songs on Bandlab because, bro, how did you get that audio, bro? Let's talk, bro. You feel me? Cause, hey, that was a banger, bro. What the freak, bro? Shoot, I'm gonna get it. All I do is wind up, you boy, you gonna wind up.
I'll show you niggas a maniac.
Yo.
Something might say maniac. Excuse me, run up on me and get shot like I'm moving. I'll be the fuck nigga ass like I'm moving. Excuse me, let's have a shootout, bro. I'm my tone. He mad cause this little bitch was showing me boo. Murder this beat, I can do this shit every day. Fight like some bitches and y'all niggas very gay. Smoking everything, that shit help me meditate. Say that pussy boy, the hell just let him say. Y'all niggas featherweights, bitch, I'm a heavyweight. Put the dick in your bitch, she got a bellyache. Murder on my mind like what that boy Melly say. Got that Glock out in that motherfucker carry case. Fucking with Ripper, nigga, that's a scary case. Pop up in your mirror with that Bloody Mary face. Fucking with Ripper, you ain't gon' see many days. Shit, anyways, you ain't have to do him like that, bro. Like, what the fuck? Let's do it. He on the Glock, but he too scared to shoot it. Split some shit vertical with his little Uzi. He ain't all that, bitch, stop acting so boo. She don't know I'm a demon, she think I'm a killer. This shit T-Ripper, this ain't no young noodle. Been rocking that top ass since 88 goofy. That nigga play with me, I'ma turn this whole fucking block to a field and give him these dots. That nigga was wide open. I told you about wearing that vest. He think he a man, so that boy tryna test. Reach in the back and I pull out that fire. I bet that pump will take the hair off his chest. Yada yada, nigga, you know the rest. Big homie, enemy, better not test. Play with the land and we spray a whole sand. Excuse me while I put the blade in your name. Excuse me. Excuse me. When you get shot like a movie, I'll be the fuck nigga ass like I'm Luffy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's have a shootout, bro. I brought my toilet. He mad cause that little bitch was showing me booty. Excuse me. Excuse me. When you get shot like a movie, I'll be the fuck nigga ass like I'm Luffy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's have a shootout, bro. I brought my toilet. He mad cause that little bitch was showing me booty.
May I be excused now?
Y'all niggas be talented though, y'all ain't bro. That was a what the? Ain't no way you made. Y'all niggas on, hey, what the breed, bro? Like, I don't know how to explain it, bro, but the only thing I can say, bro, that was a banger, bro. Hey, some of y'all niggas talented though. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, you made that on Bandlab, bro. Bandlab, my nigga, on a phone. That was a banger, bro. Hey, y'all go check him out if y'all think he was hard, bro.
Damn, Prince A, I like this.
Oh yeah, that little that means this boy about to start singing. You feel me?
I'm tryna treat you right, tryna give you the life. Cause I know that I ain't right, but I'm tryna make it right. Young nigga, I was sliding with the knife. Mama put my knees on rest, told me I ain't making it right.
Stop, bro. What are you doing, bro? This is not you. It's not you. Stop, bro. It's not you, bro.
Okay. TikTok top of the nigga right here now.
Shawty in love with me. I hit her rents, I hit her commas, pockets full of green. I hit it one time, I told her to leave. She blew on my phone, I left my scene. Told her don't die, go ahead and leave. What's her name? Click to leave. Got her my own, got her my own, got her my own. Can never trust none of these hoes, all these bros no more. Told myself I ain't never gonna fool no more. Keep it 100, spending these hundreds, spending these rabbits. We got those fucking choppers in the back. Forward again, we push us back. Can't take these niggas serious cause they whack. Call me another body and it's a pack. Running to the back just like a strap. Keep me that fire, turning that ass. Shiny little bad, I might hit the smash. When I see the green, I never gon' pass. I hop in the wraith, I'm doing the dash. She call me the goat, I ain't never in last. Never in last. Never in last.
That's a banger, bro, because that's like a vibe song. You be chilling and stuff like it's that type of song, you feel me, bro? It's a banger, bro. If y'all think he went crazy, bro, y'all let me know when y'all go check him out. Y'all know what to do, bro. Alright, y'all, listen, we're on our last rapper, bro. If you made it to the end of this video and this is not you, bro, hey, keep watching the video because like I said, bro, my next video, I got something for my next video. 5 Bandlab rappers and 5 SoundCloud rappers. So if you make music on Bandlab, then you make music on SoundCloud, wait until the end of this video because it's about over because it's the last banger. Hopefully you go stupid, bro. Hopefully you go stupid, my boy. It's a 2-minute song too, so I ain't gonna react to the whole thing. Cap me down.
Draco badass. Push it to the camera, that's what can't do.
Young boy tell me.
Got my 40 on me, I ain't lacking, nigga. Who want the action on her? Before with them heaters, let me hear them say it's static real. Smoke with all them boys, I'm trying to see which one gon' match it with. Bitch, don't cap me down, I ain't no average nigga. Bitch, don't cap me down, I ain't no rapper nigga. I'm a real trapper nigga. I be posted with them sticks inside my piece, go check the caption nigga. Don't boy, I be taxing niggas. Scam my eye like hacking nigga. My G up on the east like say what's macking nigga. I told them I slime the city out before they slime me. I can't walk the block without my fucking niggas. They keep playing in this bitch, I'ma shoot them, they keep trying me. From the Murray, grab the wheel, and ain't no question he gon' slide. Like a diamond, bitch, I'm shining hard. On the bottom, bitch, I came up with some bottom bars. 20 them a dump out on your boulevard. Z was playing PG on my team, and I'm the shooting guard. Show rocks, the niggas playing, they impossible. Niggas ain't shooters, I don't know who to guard. Keep them hanging with the stick outside the window, make them get up. Tryna aim and say alright and hit this tempo.
Hey, bro, the only thing I gotta say about this song is, bro, the beat is hard, but you gotta fix your vocals up a little bit because it's your vocals are like you're asleep, my nigga. You sleep making this song, my guy. Like, come on now, like I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna give this a slight banger just because your vocals are not that right. I'm not gonna say it's garbage. I'm just saying it's a little slight banger. You feel me, bro? Alright, y'all boys. That'll be the rest of this video. And listen, bro, if you wanna be in my next video, I need some SoundCloud rappers, bro. I need some bangers. You feel me, bro? But anyways, I need 5 SoundCloud rappers and 5 Bandlab rappers. I'm gonna compare like who makes better music, just like I made my other video like better. But anyways, I'm doing SoundCloud rappers versus Bandlab rappers. Send me some banging music. But anyways, if you want to be in my next video, this is all you have to do. Take a screenshot of this video, somewhere on this video while I'm lit, while I'm turning out. You feel me, bro? And put it on your Instagram story. A screen record now, not a screenshot, not a picture. A screen record and put it on your Instagram story, then tag me. Once you finish doing that, all you have to do is go to my newest post on my Instagram. Newest post now, and comment done. That's how you confirm everything. That's telling me that you watched this video all the way to the end, and that tells me that you support me, because like I said, I only support people that support me. You feel me, bro? I'm not gonna support somebody. I don't care if you make great music. If you don't support me, I'm not supporting you. You feel me? But anyways, y'all better rest of this video. Get up out of here. Get this video to 1,000 views, because that's when I upload my videos every time 1,000 views.
You had to do him like that, bro. Like, what the fuck? Let's do it. He bought a Glock, but he too scared to shoot it. Split some shit vertical with his little Uzi. He ain't all that, bitch. Stop acting so bougie. She don't know I'm a demon. She think I'm a killer. This shit T-Rip, but this ain't no young noodle. Been rocking the top ass since 88 goofy. That nigga play with me, I'ma turn this whole fucking block to a light show. Be like the brotherhood, and I keep that fucking fire on me like a pyro. You know I'm creeping, find out where you sleeping tonight, the night that you gon' die, ho. Found that boy out in the field and give him these dots. That nigga was wide open.